How to enable or disable L4S in developer settings on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Developer. Now if you do not have Developer, go into Privacy and Security and make sure you scroll down and tap on Developer Mode. Make sure it is turned on. Once it is turned on, it will be available in Settings. So tap on Developer. Then we go down and tap on L4S. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now L4S stands for low latency, low loss, scalable throughput. In iPhone, in the iPhone developer settings, it is referred to a networking feature designed to optimize internet performance by reducing latency, improving reliability, and support high throughput applications. It is typically relevant for developers working with advanced networking technologies. So L4S is an enhancement to TCP or IP networking protocols that minimize latency during data transmission while maintaining high throughput. It is particularly beneficial for real-time applications. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.